Okay, so what we're gonna do, I've got this for you.
Okay.
And then you're gonna have 1 minute to try and figure out how to call that phone number from that phone behind you.
Oh, I know how to do this. I've used
Do you?
these before.
Okay, hang on. I'm gonna set this down. Go.
Okay. Ugh. Damn, that's slow. Anyways. Then turn 5. Stop. 2. 7.
You've-
What's next? 3. 2. We're just gonna go with it. 8. 0. I'm going with it. 1. It's supposed to bounce back, but this thing's like greasy and musty. Now I'm supposed to dial it. Ah, this one doesn't work. Oh, yeah.
You're right, it doesn't work all that great, but you're not quite doing it successfully. This is how it should start. So, what would be the...
So it'd be this one.
Yeah.
Yeah?
So
And then what do you do with it?
5. You turn it to 5.
Oh, there's 1 minute.
Oh, yeah. You kind of got that.
Delete. Stop!
Are you still recording? Do this one. Do this one.
Okay.
And then it's supposed to bounce back. So that's what old ones do. And then you like
why are you doing that?
turn it on 40.